Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kim. My new paperback book has arrived today from Amazon, and I thought it might be fun to open it with you. I have a new business called Mission Decision. I have a full course on decision-making strategies on Udemy. And also from that, I have created YouTube videos about it, and I'm expanding my content. On Amazon, I have a decision journal that's really helpful to work through decisions by writing things out. And I've written a new book called The Decision Compass. Now this book does present my strategies that I teach in the first part of the book, but the second part of the book is really what the foundation of good decision making is based on: self-awareness, maturity, and wisdom. So if you're ready, let's open it up, see how it looks. All right, let's see here. I've been waiting for a while, and here we go. All right, here we go. So here it is. The book is called The Decision Compass, and I'll walk over. Here's the front cover. Better decision making and the inner life behind it. Here is the back cover. And it's not that large, so it's very easy to read and to go through it. And I really hope that it is helpful to you. It is available on Amazon, or you can go to my website, which is missiondecisionhq.com. And the cat is jumping up at the camera tripod now. I hope everything's okay. I hope you enjoy this new book. You can always email me also with any questions. I do consulting too. The email is missiondecisionhq@gmail.com. And go ahead and grab it. I think it's really helpful. I hope it helps you out, and let me know what you think. Thanks so much.